Good morning. We will have an activity this morning with my student. So we will going to perform the offset bend or box offset. So this is very easy. So first, what is the first procedure?
We need to measure the tube so that we can bend it.
What is that, Chop? What kind of conduit is
Metallic.
that? That is rigid metallic conduit RMC. Okay, you can proceed. What is the measurement?
3 cm.
Okay, 3 cm. How many 3 cm are you going to measure?
2.
Okay, so explain to our viewers.
Before you bend, we need to align the arrow with the
First,
first
3 cm. Okay.
3 cm. You need to align the arrow in the 3 cm line.
Then,
And then
okay, do. How many degrees?
10 degrees.
So where is that 10 degrees there? Okay. Okay, what's next? Next procedure. What's next? Palo ko na ba?
Ini the plug.
Palo. So okay, you turn around you just like that, then to the next measurement, next 3 cm, align with the arrow. Then pull again. Another 10 degrees. Okay? Right?
Okay.
Okay, so show it to the viewers your offset bend.
This is called offset bend. What's up? Alright. Lumig!